How is it going, guys? It's been a while. Yes, I was out, I was working, I was traveling. But now we're back, and I want to take you a great video. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Make sure to leave a like. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about it, and we jump straight into it. Up to the first thing is the GRBT airdrop. Now you only have 2 days to register, so make sure to go and do it. The link will be down below, and as you see here, I have already registered. You have until July 17th, so 2 days from now. Make sure to go and do it. What did I choose? I will want to receive my token at TGE. So you can also have other options to get it 4 months in, 8 months in, something like that. I decided to get it immediately because that's what I want. We have the season 2 points as we see right here, 559. We have the season 1 point as well, which go by percentage. Let me know in the comments below how many points you have and how much of a percentage you have. Now, in this one, we talked about it for years and finally it is coming. What is the TVL that is going to go and launch? Well, if we go over to DeFi Llama, we will see also that it is doing really well. 1.3 billion with open interest of 361 million. So it is going really well, and I believe that this one it is going to launch between the 400 and the 500 million TVL. So the token, it is a 1 million token, so it is, or a 1 billion token, so it is a one-to-one with that. And I do believe, as we see here on the weekly, it is doing really well in terms of the perpetual volume on the USDT on a weekly basis, on the daily basis, as we see here, really well. I do think that we will see 30 to 40 cents per token. Let me know your prediction down below, but we are registered, we are ready to go. And yes, I keep on trading as well on GRBT right here. I do have 2 positions open that currently one is not going well. But what is going well, guys, is over on Breakout, which you can join. The link will be down below. Use my code for a discount. As we see here, we are in profit of 6,600 USD. So make sure to go, guys, and trade with me over on Breakout. And how am I able to go and do this? Well, to go and showcase you, this is account. We close it. Look at the number here, 69K. Close the high position, and it is closed. Now we made 6.6K. How was I able to do it? Well, I simply went and bought myself a 50K funded account. I believe I took the $400 one, not the 280, but go and pick whichever one you want. The link will be down below. Use my code as well, and you will get yourself a discount. And basically, I spent $280. I got to keep 80% of the profit that you make. It is a one-time fee, and I grew it to, as we see here, I grew it to 69,000. So as you see, for $400 that I have spent, but you can also spend 280 or 180 or even less, like you got 25K account, 10K account, 5K account. It is completely up to you. I have done 6.6 just right now with you. So I spent 400 and I make 6.6. That is why I trade on Breakout more than other platforms. Why? Because it is a platform. You simply pay for an account, you make money, you keep 80% of the profit, and you are good to go. It is amazing. And what am I gonna do right now? I do think that Hype, it is a absolutely great one, but I will want to go and short over on Ethereum. There is just something, and I'm no financial advisor, do not copy me. I do think, however, over on Ethereum, we will go on a 75%, as we see here. I will want to sell it, and here we have it. So we are selling, we are shorting Ethereum, and we will see later how it goes. But the link down below, come and join me, come and participate with me. Do not copy my trade. I'm no financial advisor. This is just what I do. All opinion on yours. And you can also follow me on Telegram, where I do share some of my calls. Again, no financial advisor, but you can come and share it. So next up, we do have also the Meteora Season 2 airdrop, as we see here, that has officially concluded as of the 30th of June to all LPs who participated throughout the season. Thank you. The team is now processing the data for the DLM and the DMV2 across the period. So expect an airdrop also from Meteora, which, yes, they already have done the first one. Now we have a second one, but accept an airdrop, which is really nice to see. And let me know if you did participate or if you still use Meteora in the link down below. Next up, we do have the base network checker airdrop, as we see right here. Now, one important thing, guys, this one, it is not an official one from base. This is a community created base one. And as we see here, you can basically simply input your wallet. So if you're gonna go to MetaMask, you simply copy your wallet, or anything else, you go and put it right here, copy and paste, and you can check your eligibility. And as we see right here, I have the calculation. You can go and play with the FTV, with the supply, and what it could be. And as we see here, I could have 6,900 base points. So that could be a very good airdrop because I have transaction count, distinct month activity, unique contract touch, Ethereum held on base, yes and no, wallet age, and all of this. So let me know what you think also down in the comments below. Go and try. As I said, you do not need to connect anything. You simply put your wallet in it and you will receive the airdrop allocation. No, sorry, you will receive what your allocation could look like, but it is not an official one. So let's go and try it. Next up, we also have the Grass Foundation. Check your participant reward for stage 2. Now this one, extremely sad airdrop, and I have got $8 for it. Let me know in the comments down below how much you got. It is an extremely bad airdrop in my opinion. And as we see here, this is the extension. We can simply go and check also out over on the dashboard everything I have done. And when it comes to the rewards, here we go. We have everything, all the people and all the referrals. The allocation over here, it is $8. So yes, really sad for it. But let me know your allocation down in the comments below. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching. I will try to take you daily videos nonetheless, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.